Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Like that. Following that, you need to get this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your new app is ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!